everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our brand new mini kit. It's called Our Family and it is a hoot. Oh, did you get my joke? Anyway, let me show you what is in this gorgeous little kit. Okay, so this is the Our Family stamp and it's got the cute little grandpa owl and a grandma owl, or it could be mummy and daddy and two little babies, a little graduation hat and some accessories. It says here, if I can get it without the light for you, from Owl My Heart, All You Need Is Love, Peek-a-Hoo and Graduation. So that is very cute. So it's actually a second stamp set to go with this one I'll show you in a minute, which is an add-on. Okay, this is the laser cut Best Mum Ever. Love my mum, and to my mum, obviously, with a bit of a Mother's Day theme happening there. And these are the cute little papers. So there are 6 little papers included in the kit. Nice little muted colour palette. This is the cutter part. So this is going to work with die number 5 and this is the new one for die number 6. And of course your inspiration book. Let me show you the add-ons before I show you through the book because it will make more sense then. So this month we have got an add-on die and it is a slimline die, and of course you've got the word love there with the cute little hearts. And of course there is the add-on die, which is the fussy cut die that matches this stamp set. We also have a whole second stamp set, and this one is called Little Hoot, and it's got more cute little owls on there. Hilarious. Thank Owl for everything. Little Hoot, always love you to the end of time are the saying. So they're really, really cute as well. And of course you've got the add-on die as well. Okay, let's take a quick look at some cards. So I've got Ashley's cards here. This is the border, and it does cut out like a window from the little love hearts on there. Super adorable. And they're the little owls from the Little Hoot one. Cute little owls there. And these are some of our frame dice for our rectangles. I like this one. On your graduation day. Graduations are coming up. Look who's having a birthday. This is with our 3 window die. Very cute. And this is the love die just cut off. I love how Ashley's done that. Very cute. And this is the laser cut. Love my mum. And Best Mum Ever. Happy Mother's Day. Here are some other ideas from the DT. Love this one with the love. How cute is this with our tree builder? It works so perfectly. Using the love cut out. So that's the words there. Sending love on your new baby. How cute is that? With the cute little babies as a shaker and with the border. And there was another one I wanted to show you in the book. Wherever I buried that. So in the book, how cute is that? Layering up the letters of the love to create the shadow. And that has done that as well. So I'll just show you a few little more in the book. I love this is the new number 6 die. And how cute is that? As cutting it out and then using the leftover bits to cut around for your card. How cute. My words seem to have failed me this afternoon. Another graduation one. Love my mum. Oh, that Star Galaxy with the number 6 die as well. Cute little forest thing. Oh, there's so many. I love these owls. So the one included in the stamp set, just to recap, is this one here. It's called Our Family. And the second one you can add on is called Little Hoot. This is now on our website to order, and we will be shipping them as soon as we can out to you. They are also available at your local craft store, and of course subscribers, yours will be in the mail first. Thanks guys. You can subscribe to mini kits. They're just $27 each. You save a little bit if you are a subscriber. Till next time, bye.